What this solution is really great at is, first and foremost, presenting information in a very high level in a way that executives often like to receive that information, and it builds trust because everything is transparent, it's there, it can be accessed, it can be audited. For the executive that doesn't have time to do that, they have the analysis they need. For the executive that wants to go into a high level of detail, they can do it at their heart's content.
Power BI has really facilitated our conversations with our clients. The frequency of more forward-looking conversations has really increased.
It just makes for a very seamless experience, and frankly, it's the type of experience you have when you're working day to day in a workflow in a system, so it emulates the type of interaction that is more familiar anyway.
We're working through this continuous process of feedback where we're immediately getting feedback from our clients on those visuals and then tailoring the visuals to meet those needs. Ultimately, what we want our clients to be able to do is to efficiently access and draw accurate conclusions about those large data sets without having to dive into the detail.
One of the interesting things about the data visualizations is that now clients can move away from simply understanding what happened in the past to adapting more quickly and seeing trends immediately as they arise, and then making business decisions and changing business processes and making more informed business decisions because they have on-demand information that's readily accessible and more easily analyzed. To me, that's always great when we can help a client solve extra problems on top of what we've been hired to do, and it makes it really rewarding from a client service standpoint. 5 years from now, using tools like Microsoft Power BI is going to be intuitive to business users as using things like Microsoft Excel. It's just going to be natural, it's going to be how we communicate, and it's exciting to be on the leading edge of that.